Assalamu alaikum. Adab. I have not come to cry. I have brought the demand for hanging the smell of blood in the sky in the year of Bengali mother today. I have brought the demand for hanging those who shoot at the innocent general student of Bengali nation, Bengali mother. The blood stand on the ground in the mural of around. She is my brother. She is my sister. In the name of logical Kutha reform movement, when we are certified to make the Bengali nation smart Bangladesh, a talented nation, that when the precious son of Bengali mothers shed blood on the street in order to escape the cruel deep of unemployment when eligible candidates are not getting job. The logical Kotha movement was called for the poem language to put in the language of Potti. I will see you the map if I do not want to think. Those the old vulture, the shokuns are holding the national the nation of the flag. The history of Bengali blood donation is not one day. Bengali bought Bengal with blood. We did not get Bengali those something donation about the Sipai Revolution 1857. We think that made a movement with the soul and blood in the 1952 national language day movement. We brought the language to the party with our blood. The blood. The world is surprised to hear to Shofik Jabbar. She gave the blood on the protest in the movement, language movement protest. I have given blood when Bart Oshan Oshan river in the lie, Dukhini Bangla is not dead blood, Bengali on the night 1971, 25 March, genocide, pronounce on the Bengali like Haina. Bengali want to Bengal to implement Bengali mother chest. Finally, 6th, 16 December 1971, after Dukhini Bengali mother become independent. But even today, the smell Dukhini Bangla mother become independent. Mm, smell, but even today the smell of blood in the air of Bengali mother, the whole world is surprised, and young young people, general people is mainly laughing and hang, fish and shoot. But Dukhini Bangla mother never fall, never. In Bangla never fall to give blood and the national movement in Bangladesh. Whenever our common student did a rational movement against the at the time the Giri force the enforce team of government carried the humiliation and brutal torture of my brother, sister on the general student of Bengali. The flag of the nation is soaked in the blood of ordinary student, and the street is covered with blood. When our student came to street to protest, they arrested and brutally tortured my Dukhini Bangla mother students. We can get to know the extent to torture suffered by the government repression of the Kutha movement is various independent media of Bangladesh through various electronic media, print media. We get know that Prothom Alo, the Daily Star, Club, BBC, Al Jazeera, Reuters, Al Jazeera, Reuters. Uh, we can know 197 people third gestation, and 200 ordinary students are unable to speak without fear. They are running. Yeah, in fear to arrested. They are beginning arrested. They are beginning routed. The deeply concern of Amnesty International in the open letter of Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, the Secretary General of Amnesty International has expressed deeply concern about the violent crackdown on the ongoing Bangla blockade quota reforms protest in Bangladesh, and the need to end the violence and ensure justice and accountability for the killing of over 200 people during this protest. He called for objection action. The letter also Amnesty International stated that on 28 uh, July 2024, Bangladesh Home Minister told a press briefing that the date in the violence was on 147, but Prothom Alo News reporters at least these at least 211 people died in the violence, when who is the post protest in Bangladesh story. One of the deadliest event of its times. Bangladesh Police Rapid Action Battalion (RAB), Bangladesh Border Guard (BGB), and Bangladesh Army were deployed across the country to quell the protest. Thus, a high number of deaths unfortunately highlights to completely in intolerance in the Bengali authorities toward protest the dissent, the unlawful use of force, including legal force, according protester, is evidence to authorize calling discharged, and for the right of the life of the failure of law enforcement official fulfill to responsibility under national and international human rights law. Amnesty International Secretary General Engels also wrote in the letter Amnesty International has monitored and documented the serious human rights violence committed by the authorized and surfacing protest in the last 10 days, in examining and evidence to cite indents in which illegal force and uh, lethal weapon were used against student protests during during this sixth day curfew. He further wrote, in our investigation, the protest students were fired upon with but shot, tear gas, and fired into the student own area, and the security force used relief without any control. The Secretary General writes the reporters also reveals that the Bangladesh Chhatra League and the student wings, your ruling party, Bangladesh started violence first against armed and peaceful student protest in Dhaka University, and the against student undergoing treatment at Dhaka Medical College Hospital. At which this protest, the people of Bangladesh faced the internet shutdown across the country from 18 July 200 2024 period. In the shutdown, mobile internet across the temporary temporarily suspended across the country and social media and also blocked in the some area. Dhaka Metropolitan Police DMP on 19 July 224 200 uh, 24 invoked Selection Act 144, banning all forms of gathering and protesting in the Dhaka capital, Dhaka city, and impose the curfew and order the police issued suicide. The letter quoted British The Guardian newspaper as saying that the shutdown of postal service across the country, blanket ban on protest Dhaka and order of shooting to site across the country were unexpected attack by the on the right of expression and peaceful assembly. This type dumping ban is violence of Bangladesh international obligation as the state of responsible for the protesting civil and political rights. He also wrote the according to media report 10,000 people including opposition leader activist and student and protest participant are arrested